These are all abandoned wagons. It was quite easy to fly through here with the Spark. But with a Phantom, you know, it's really tricky. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this in tripod mode with narrow sensing, because I figured out how that was working by now. Ja, nou kan ik die feature dus niet vinden hier. This is not your average guy, alias Peter. This is Martin, my son-in-law. I have to make sure that narrow sensing is on my C2 button, and where
the home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
I have to scroll down, as you can see, narrow sensing. So it's on my C2 button now, and that means that when I push the button here, this one, and I hold it, it will allow the drone to get closer to the obstacles it will see. You've all seen how easy it was for Martin to fly the Sparks through that narrow space. And you will lose signal probably. But you made it. And now we're going to do that with the Phantom, which will be a little bit more difficult because it's a bigger machine. And also because it's faster. So I'm going to put it in tripod mode. And now it uses the sensors on all sides. And I think the best thing I can do is walk behind it like this. And it's totally drifting to this side. And now I'm pushing and holding the button, and now it wants to go forward. You see that? All right. Let's do that again. And then see if we can do it quicker. It did hold. So let's try it again. I'm going to push and hold the C2 button. I don't know why it's going down now. It's going down. I didn't do anything with the sticks. That was unfortunate because it was doing pretty well actually. Let's try it from this side. Easy. Yep. So I think this went all right. So you can do it. You can do it with narrow sensing and in tripod mode with all the sensors back, forth and at the sides.
Low Low battery warning.
All right, all right. As you can see, it's flying very slowly in tripod mode. But the thing is, like this, in tripod mode, it's very slow. It means you can make very smooth shots. You have all the sensors on, so it means you will not run into obstacles. And with the C2 button hold it means you can get closer into a narrow space like this, and you can make nice, smooth shots. You can also do it in manual mode, but what happens in manual mode is that you constantly have to correct because it will be drifting away. And let me think. You should have visual positioning on. We can try it. We can try it. So I have to get another battery, and then I should put off the sensors, not the visual positioning system, because the visual positioning system will take care that it stays in place. If you turn that off, it will start to drift left and right, and that's absolutely not what you want here. So the visual positioning system has to be on, but the obstacle avoidance has to be off. Enable forward and backward obstacle sensing. So I turn that off now.
The home point has been updated.
All right.
Please check it on the map.
Record and launch the drone. Wow. Look how quick it is. It's so quick. So that's one thing. You have to be very careful. So let's do it similar. As you can see, it's still hovering very well in one place. That's what you want. And now let's go through there.
Addy mode. Addy mode.
Well, the thing is, I can go a lot quicker if I want to. That's nice. Let's do it from the other side. Yeah, I did it, but I think it was more like this, and yeah, I did it. I think it can be done. Yeah, I think it works pretty well, to be honest. It works pretty well. If you're not so confident, then you can do it in tripod mode with narrow sensing and all the sensors on. If you're more confident, you can do it like this. Maybe you have to do it like 2-3 times before you get it really well. But whatever your preference is. Alright guys, I hope you like our little exploration. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the tests that we are doing. If so, you can give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see our next adventures. If you want me to do a lot more and work better and do more crazy stuff, support me on Patreon. You can even win this Spark. 800 euros worth of Spark you can win if you support me. So that's still possible. Go to the link in the description to find out more about that. And then what more?
What more? Nothing more.
Nothing
Batteries
more.
are dead.
See you on the next video.
Yes.
Alright. Bye.
Bye bye.
Ja, we moeten nog die locator proberen. Weet je wat we kunnen doen? We maken er gewoon een item van. We maken er gewoon een item van.
Op een dingen landen.
Ja,